Let's take another example with 3 loops. So I have I, J, K is within J is within I. Or you can analyze it like this. I is the outer loop, J is the inner loop, and J is the outer loop for K, and K becomes the inner loop. How does this work? So I starts with 1, 1 less than or equal to 2, yes. J equal to 1, J less than or equal to 3, yes. It enters the K loop. K equal to 1, K less than or equal to 3, yes. So it enters the K loop. What is that? Print I, J, K. I should get the output as 1, 1, 1. Now, since we are in the K loop, now where will it go back? It has to go back to K plus plus. So only K will change. K becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, yes. So what is printed? 1, 1, 2. Next again goes back to K plus plus, becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, yes. So I is 1, J is 1, K is 3. It will still go back to K plus plus. K becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, condition is false. It will not enter the K loop. Now, once it comes out of the K loop, it will go back to its parent, which is its parent is the J loop. So, it will go back to J plus plus. J now becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, again enter the J loop. It meets K as a new loop now. So, K restarts with 1. I has not yet changed. Output is 1, 2, 1. Now, we are in which loop? We are in the K loop. So, now only K will change. So, K becomes 2. So, K is less than or equal to 3. Enter. What is printed? 1, 2, 2. Then again K plus plus. So, it is 1, 2, 3. K becomes 4 is false. Comes out of the K loop. It is a continuation of the J loop. It goes back to J plus plus. J becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 3, true. So it enters the J loop, which is again a K loop taken as a new loop. So K starts with 1. So 1, 3, 1. Then K becomes 2, 1, 3, 2. K becomes 3, 1, 3, 3. K becomes 4 is false. Comes out of the K loop. Now goes back to J. J becomes 4. 4 less than 3. This is also false. So comes out of the J loop. What is there outside the J loop is a continuation of I loop. Now I becomes 2. Now I becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 2 is true. So enter. Now J starts with 1. Is it true? Yes. Enter the K loop. K starts with 1. K less than or equal to 3. Is it true? Yes. Enter the K loop. So now this is 2, 1, 1. Now we are in which loop? We are in the K loop. So what changes? Now only K will change. K becomes 2. So 2, 1, 2. Then again K plus plus. K becomes 3. 2, 1, 3. K becomes 4 is false. Now K is completed. So it goes back to J. J becomes 2. Again comes down. K is 1. So this is 2, 2, 1. Only K changes. 2, 2, 2. K changes. 2, 2, 3. K becomes 4. False. So now again J changes. J becomes 3. So when J becomes 3, then 3 less than or equal to 3, true, enter. K restarts again with 1. So the output is 2, 3, 1. Then it should be 2, 3, 2. Then 2, 3, 3. Then K becomes 4, false, goes back. J becomes 4 is also false, goes out. I becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 2 is false. So this is the output. So check how the loop works. If you have not understood, rewind the video, just check how it works.